If you're getting spammed on LinkedIn by people who aren't actually connected to you, sending you messages, what LinkedIn calls in-mails, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm showing you how to change your settings on LinkedIn so that you don't receive direct messages or in-mails from people you are not connected to. So in-mails are a premium feature. So if somebody pays for LinkedIn Premium, they have access to a certain number of in-mails or direct messages that they can send in a month, and they don't need to be connected to the person. So in terms of how you can change your settings, if you don't want people like that to message you, you'll go to settings and privacy. From there, you'll go to data privacy. And then you will go down here to messages. You will see here that there's two things. Allow others to send you message request notifications. So this is someone, again, who may not be connected to you, but wants to send you a message request. You can decide whether you receive those kinds of messages or not. The other option, which is the one we were talking about, is in-mail specifically. And so do you want others to send you in-mails? You can decide yes or no. If the person is connected to you on LinkedIn, they can still send you a message even if you turn off this feature. So let's say you turn these options off. Here it will now ask you, allow recruiters to invite you to apply for jobs. So if you are someone who's job searching and you don't want to get these in-mails, but you still want recruiters to be able to invite you to apply for positions, then you can keep that on. So the only thing that I want you to keep in mind is that you may have people that you don't know who may be sending you an in-mail for a valid reason, not spamming you. So you need to keep that in mind depending on what you're using your LinkedIn profile for. By turning off this setting, it means that anyone who's not connected to you, they cannot message you at all on LinkedIn. So just keep that in mind if you decide to turn off this feature on your profile. If you're looking to look at someone's LinkedIn profile without them knowing that you viewed their profile, I share how to do that in this video. So I'll see you in that one. Take care.